Imagine transforming your garden, free of bulky branches and bushes, in the blink of an eye. With the DeltaFox electric roller shredder, it is not only possible but also incredibly simple and fast. This technological gem combines power, efficiency, and silence, promising to revolutionize the way you garden. Let me reveal to you why this shredder is not just a tool, but a true ally for maintaining your green spaces. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours right away. Feel free to subscribe to the channel to discover every day all the best products selected for you. This DeltaFox electric roller shredder is the ideal tool for both amateur and professional gardeners looking to simplify the maintenance of their green spaces. Perfect for quickly and quietly shredding branches and bushes, it is suitable for anyone looking for efficiency and user comfort in maintaining their garden. This model, the DG ESS B, stands out for its turbo power motor of 2800W, which guarantees unmatched driving force. Capable of shredding branches up to 40 mm in diameter, regardless of their toughness or quantity, this shredder meets every challenge with remarkable ease. The silent roller cutting technology, a DeltaFox exclusive, ensures near-silent operation, allowing you to work without disturbing the tranquility of your surroundings. The shredder is equipped with a transparent 60-liter collection bag featuring a safety lock that simplifies waste disposal and minimizes interruptions for emptying. The smart design includes a large filling hopper that facilitates feeding branches, supported by a pusher, making it convenient for safe use. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. The metal chassis, both stable and robust, is mounted on large, smooth wheels that facilitate movement across all types of terrain. The shredder is also equipped with a useful storage compartment, perfect for keeping all the necessary accessories within reach. Safety is also a priority, with the inclusion of an easily accessible on-off switch and a reverse function to prevent jams, allowing for hassle-free use. The maintenance-free design of the shredder ensures minimal care after use. A simple rinse of the collection bin is enough to prepare it for the next use. The overload protection for the motor ensures that the shredder always operates at its optimal level without the risk of damage due to overwork. This feature, combined with the power of the motor and the efficiency of the cutting system, allows for the quick processing of large quantities of plant debris. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Now let's summarize its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, power and efficiency. Turbo power motor of 2800W for optimal performance. Capable of shredding branches up to 40 mm in diameter, allowing for the processing of thick and resilient plant debris. Advantage number 2, user comfort. A 60-liter collection bin that reduces the frequency of emptying. Large fluid wheel and transport handle for easy maneuverability even in uneven gardens. Advantage number 3, improved safety. Reverse function and safety lock to prevent incidents. Accessible on-off switch for immediate and secure control. Advantage number 4, quiet and compact. Roller cutting system that minimizes noise. Ideal for residential areas. Compact and ergonomic design. Easy to store and maintain. Advantage number 5, durability and reliability. Sturdy metal chassis ensuring a long lifespan. No regular maintenance is required, apart from the simple cleaning of the bin. Now let's move on to the few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1 is the dependence on electrical power. Requires being connected by an electric cable, which can limit mobility depending on the layout of the garden and the length of the cable. The DeltaFox electric roller shredder is more than just a tool. It is a complete and sustainable solution for keeping your garden clean and tidy. Easy to use, robust in its construction, and efficient in its performance. It is aimed at anyone looking for a practical solution for their gardening needs. Why wait any longer to transform and maintain your garden with ease? Click the link in the description to order yours at the best price. Learn more about the product and discover the thousands of positive reviews from satisfied customers. Simplicity, efficiency, and quality are just a click away. Join the DeltaFox community and experience the best of gardening, practical and powerful for your gardens. Ready? Shredded. Feel free to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products every day. With that, I sincerely thank you for your attention and hope to see you soon.